way stronger than double pane. They're super reinforced, so they'll never warp or leak like flimsy vinyl windows, and they're backed by the industry's strongest warranty, 50 years non-prorated, totally transferable. And you can win this for free by registering at freewindows123.com. We've given away a free house of windows every year since 2004, and now it's your turn. Just go to freewindows123.com and enter to win. Triple pane windows are the only way to go here in New England, with 100-degree summer days and 0-degree days in the winter. Westbound triple pane windows will keep you comfortable and save on energy bills all year long. So go to freewindows123.com to register to win right now. That's freewindows123.com. Register to win on your phone right now. freewindows123.com.
Niagara Pool Filling is ready for all your warm weather water filling needs. Many Rhode Island and Massachusetts pool contractors count on Niagara Pool Filling for all their pool work, irrigation filling systems, koi ponds, and much more. Any job, big or small, with Niagara Pool Filling state-of-the-art equipment and professional and courteous drivers, every job is fast and efficient. Crystal clear water for all your warm weather needs are just a call away. 401-826-7665. Niagara Pool Filling, 826-POOL.
With my son Seth with Relief Factor. And with the summer here, wouldn't it be nice if you could get out of pain so you could go back to those nice long walks or maybe even golf or tennis? That's right. And quite frankly, helping people get out of pain so they can get back to doing the things they love to do is exactly why we created Relief Factor. Like for this person.
I first heard about Relief Factor on a television show, and I was skeptical because of the pain that I was having. And after about 3 weeks, the pain was gone. I'm really happy. It makes me feel like I'm young again.
Maybe you have back, neck, shoulder, hip, or knee pain. You're just getting older, exercise, or everyday living. If so, I hope you'll try our 3-week quick start. It's just $19.95, and it's 100% drug-free. Dad and I want to help you get out of pain and get back to living. Go to relieffactor.com or call 800-500-8384. That's 800-500-8384. Use Radio 920 and 1047 FM. At the push of a button, that thing you want gets delivered tomorrow. Also at the push of a button, the news you want delivered now. Right here on the push button. Push your news now button. Use Radio 920 and 1047 FM. Welcome to the Glenn Beck program tonight on Blaze TV at 8 o'clock. This is new because America's pregame. Then at 9 o'clock, we're going to be covering the debate. But Pat and Stu and I are going to be kind of like the Olympic judges on the couch. We're going to have numbers, so after each answer, we'll each hold up a number and let you know how we're scoring the debate all the way along. And then our coverage of the actual debate and all of our commentary with really Dave Rubin and everybody from the Blaze. Steve Dates is coming in here in just a few minutes. He'll be with us tonight. That comes at 10:30 only on Blaze TV. Go to blazetv.com. Use the promo code Glenn Debates and receive 20% off. So make sure that you join us tonight. You watch the debates anywhere. It's going to be more fun with us. We watch the debates anywhere. But do we really want to hear the opinion of any of those people? Oh, I want to hear what the mainstream media is. I know. Because I'm really, I don't know. Yeah. Which way are they going to go? I do want to hear from somebody that was heard from a lot right after the election because she's the only one that called it really right on the money, and that's Selena Zito. And Selena's with us now. Hi, Selena. How are you?
Hey, Glenn, how are you?
Very good. You are, of course, a columnist for the New York Post, a national political reporter for the Washington Examiner, co-author of The Great Revolt, which talked about the first race in 2016 and what the media missed. What are you feeling today? Because I'm about to throw up. I'm so nervous.
Well, I totally get that. I also feel, sort of, like racy, hard kind of anxiety feeling.
Right.
And I think that's pretty normal, especially if you're a political junkie like you and I are. But, well, I don't know, more majority of Americans are not as obsessed with think they were based on the constant coverage on cable news and or on social media that, you know, most people do not live and die by American politics. I think that going into this evening, the onus is on Joe Biden to do a number of things to either win voters over, earn someone's vote, or he's possibly going to lose votes, not necessarily that will go to Trump, but people will take a look at him and say, it depends on what lane you're in, they could look at him and say a number of things. First of all, he's too far left, or he's too moderate. But the third problem, and I think this is the one people are sort of anticipating, is that he's not on his game anymore, and that he has lots of staff. I don't think that staff are his problem.
Right.
I think that his problem is saying things like he went to an historic black college, which he did not. Those are not staff.
Good morning,
Those
thank you, Mr.
are
Dunkin.